Good morning, it's Ruben from Van Life. Thank you for checking back in. We are here with the Dodge Ram. We're going to be doing a little cleanup slash little maintenance, you could say. On this is it's an 03, so it's got some miles. It's 320,000 miles. One of the major things that I've noticed is this. It's all looking all ugly, dirty, rusty. Other than that, for 320,000 miles, doesn't look half bad. But obviously, we want to get this truck looking up to par. This is my first real truck that I've really taken care of, and it's never gonna go away. So what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be refinishing the calipers and just checking the brakes, just making sure everything's nice and tight and just everything is there. So come along, we're gonna be doing this and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be needing in just a few minutes. All right, so and just 1, 2, 3, here we go. All right, so what we're going to be needing is obviously one degreaser. We want to, I don't want to oversaturate the metal, but just want to wipe it down, make sure all the loose grease comes off. After that, we're going to do not a degreasing, like the waxing grease remover, a prep ball. Then we're going to apply the high heat petroleum, and on a few black things we want to put this quick color. So with that being said, that's all we're pretty much going to be using, and I'll take you along for the whole ride. All right. All right, and here you're already greased up the bearing, not the bearing, sorry, the nipples on the upper control arm. This is the outer tie rod and the lower control arm. So now we've prepped it with degreaser. Now we're gonna spray a little bit of prep ball and start masking up a few things. Obviously I don't want anything of the silver paint on this, but everything else is fine. So let's get to it. Píntalo.
Mira, como estaba platicando, me dijo, oh, esa es la cama que hizo el Robert. Sí, no, le quedó bien, le quedó muy bonita. Y él le hizo
All right, so after about an hour, a little bit of a jam hand, this is what it looks like. Saw how it looked before, compare how it looks now. way better. So, done this to all 4 wheels or brakes. Now it's time to clean up the overspray on the spray paint. So I'm not gonna bore you guys on that. So if you guys like these videos, like and subscribe, follow me. It does a great deed for me, especially right now with work not being there. So like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And we're gonna do an update video on that Tacoma over there, right there. So little surprise on that. All right, catch you guys later. Take care. Love you guys. Take care.